Good morning everyone. Today I just thought I would do some fun makeup, do a chit chat, get ready with me. Just use some makeup I already have in my collection. I don't even know. I just want to do pink eyes because I have a cute sponsorship that I'm putting up on my Instagram. By the time you see this video, it may or may not be up already, but I just wanted to matchy with the product. It's a pink color and I thought I could do like a graphic eyeliner or something like that. I don't know, let's just see what happens. I'm pretty tired right now. I do have this gigantic iced coffee, which I am enjoying thoroughly. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Alrighty, I'm going to prep my base. First I'm going to take the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this packaging. These look really nice under foundation, so I'm just going to apply it all over. It's got a kind of slimy feel, but not like a silicone. It just feels slimy and then it kind of sets and leaves you with a really beautiful finish on your skin. I'm using a little bit of Eve Lom lip balm. Next up, I'm just going to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. This is a current favorite of mine. I'm obsessed with it and I love just doing it before I go ahead and do foundation and all of that. So I was thinking last night about all of my favorite food, like as you do. Guys, where you live, do you have heaps of cuisine available, like international cuisine, or is it largely just the same stuff? Because I was thinking, where I live in New Zealand and in Palmerston North, like we have so much different food. And I was thinking about all the foods I love. Let me pop on some foundation while we talk about this, because I'm very curious. Just because like in the past I've said something like, oh, I love Indian food, and people being like, I've never tried Indian food. I'm like, have you never tried Indian food? Like it's everywhere and it's so good. I'm going to use the Kill Cover Foundation by Clio. My shade is 5BY Sand. I'm going to pop it on with a flat top face brush by xoBeauty. Like, okay, my favorite cuisines, I've got so many I can't pick. I love Turkish / Mediterranean vibes. I love Indian. I love Japanese. I love Korean. I love Chinese food, although it's very westernized Chinese food that we have access to here. Mexican food. What else is there? I was thinking to myself, some of the only foods I haven't really tried, like I've tried South African food, but I haven't tried food from like other areas of Africa, and I've not tried much Vietnamese food. Oh, I love Thai food, by the way. Thai, Italian food. I mean, everyone likes Italian food. Actually, that's a lie. I've heard of some people not liking pizza and not liking pasta. That is so weird, and I envy you. I envy you. It'd be easier to, you know, diet without craving those foods every time I'm on my period. So yeah, I feel like I haven't tried much Vietnamese foods, and there is like 1 or 2 places near me that do it, but every time I look at the menu it's always so much coriander. So like, you guys, if I go to like Vietnamese, what do I order where it won't be just like, yeah, coriander city? And what other foods do I need to try? Like, do any of you watch me from like certain areas of the world where you're like, okay, you haven't mentioned my food? And I'll reply to a comment and I'll let you know if I've tried it or not. I was talking to my friend yesterday saying how much I'm craving Korean food because I haven't had like Korean barbecue in ages. And there is a place in my city that does it, but I've never tried it from there, so I really need to go and do it. I'm just gonna let that settle into the skin, but look how beautiful it is. What is your favorite type of food as well? Comment down below. I feel like mine overall, like I honestly love so many different types of food, but I'd have to say my favorite might be just good old Japanese food, like sushi, ramen. But then I love Korean food. Korean fried chicken, like, is unbeatable. I lived on Korean fried chicken when I lived in Korea. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my Danessa Myricks Creamy Bronzer. And this shade is light. I'm going to just pop some of that around the edges of my face. This is such a good cream bronzer. It's like foolproof. Okay, my skin literally looks bomb. Wow. I'm going to use a little bit of pressed powder just through the T-zone a little. I should probably conceal in my eyes actually. I almost forgot. This is the Clio Liquid Concealer in the same shade. I'm just going to use a dual paddle brush to tap that out. My under eyes are so terrible lately. I don't know what is going on. I've got friggin' birds in my roof again. Now they're sitting on the corner of my roof. I can see them. They're so cute though. They go on our roof. They go in through the gutters and like get into the roof somehow, and friggin', or you can just hear them stomping around all night. I'm like, dude, can you at least be quiet? And I'm gonna use, woo, this xoBeauty Diamond Baby palette. This is a highlight palette and it's launched on the 11th. Which by the time you watch this video it's probably already been announced, hopefully. I think it's the 11th that we've decided on. We've got so much stuff happening right now. Quick life update, we're moving buildings for my businesses because we ran out of room, we outgrew them, so we had to move like urgently, like literally all of a sudden we're like shit, okay, we gotta move. So we had to go find a place, and we are restocking Gaia. I'm gonna take the shade Bouquet, which is pink and gold, and literally, oh, buffing that onto the cheekbone. A little bit above the eyebrows. I'll put some on my nose soon. I'm doing my makeup in the weirdest order today, I swear. But first I'll just pop on some bronzer. Today I'm going to use my Hula Caramel. I used this the other day on my Instagram stories. I was like, oh my god, I forgot how much I love this. I don't know if you can still get it or not. If you can, I'll link it down below. A beautiful like orangey toned bronzer, which I know like scares a lot of people, but don't be scared, it's so pretty. It's a tapered face brush. A little bit on my nose. So yeah, did I say, tell me what your favorite cuisine is? Honestly, I've got food on my mind right now. I think I'm about to get my period. I'm gonna take, I think I'm getting sick, eh? Shit, why is this lighting so bad today? It's not even that cloudy. I'm gonna take, why am I throwing a fluffy blender brush with the same colour and just pop that into the crease and under. Look, this was one of the first pagings. Look how much better this one is. I'm going to take the shade Lace and just pop that on the eyelid. And then on the rest of the lid, and I'm going to overlap it a little bit, I'm going to use this pink colour by Kylie. It's called Deep Sea Dreams. Oh god, I'm getting fallout everywhere. I can feel it hitting my face. No. Oh, I hate applying stuff with my fingers when I've got long nails, but these eyeshadows work better with fingers for sure. Oh my god, my room is such a mess. And I'm about to film an unboxing. It's going to be a bomb site. Oh, look at these pretty earrings. These are from Miss Lola. I'm going to pop them on. They're like rhinestone pearl. Can you see that? Let's get down to business. Alright, back in, I'm just going to soften the edges. And I'm going to do a graphic liner. Okay, I'm going to flick away this too. Oh, it's everywhere. This really pale pink colour here. Do I use that or do I use a darker pink? Maybe I don't know. I might start with this one, which is the P.O.BOX paint in the shade Extra Spicy. Just putting it on my waterline. I feel like hot pink, just to balance out. We've already got like pale pink. So this one here is the P.O.BOX one in Raver. I haven't used it before. Ooh, exciting. I'm gonna do a half wing. And then do I just zook inward? I'm scared. I really committed on that one. I feel like I didn't breathe that whole time. Something like that I'm thinking. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I feel like that's quite cute. So I'm going to attempt to match it now. God, this is the worst part. This formula is so good though. I definitely recommend these. I've got a discount code for P.O.BOX down below as well. I really want to try their new lip paints. Because it gives me like OCC lip tar vibes. How many of you guys have been around that long? Tell me. Do you remember OCC lip tars? If you do, you're a real MVP. A real OG. This colour is so stunning, isn't it? I feel like that kind of matches. Okay, the swoop's going to be the hardest part. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Just gotta fix the edges. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty wrapped with that. My eyes are very different shapes in the crease, so I think that's decent. Alright, hopefully it doesn't smudge everywhere. For mascara today, I'm just going to use my Climax by NARS. Do you guys want to see a full face of NARS makeup? I don't know if I've ever done full face of NARS before. Because there's definitely some things by NARS I don't love as much. Like their eyeshadows I don't vibe with as much as I do their face products. Like foundations, concealers, bronzers, blushes kind of vibes. And their highlighters I'm not like the hugest fan of. But it'd be kind of cool to do a full face and just talk about what I like and don't like. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like I do like their lip products, but I don't reach for them a lot. I don't know. I'm going to use falsies today, so I'm just smacking this on. I'm just going in on top of that with this AOA, which is like $1, this brand. I did a full face of this makeup, which is $1 or very cheap. I'll link it below. What is wrong with my mouth? But can we just appreciate, like, I forgot how good this is. I'll link this mascara below for you. Oh my gosh. Look at my lower lashes. Look at them. Look at them. Look closely. Look. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Okay, what false lashes? Oh my god, I love this eye makeup. I feel like a little fairy. Oh my gosh. What a vibe. Oh, look how bold my brow bone is too. It's like my eyebrows waxed. Oh, that's the good stuff. Looks cute with no falsies. What is wrong with me lately? I'm just like loving what my natural lashes look like, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna do falsies. Let me find some. Maybe I'll use the Chic because these are very like clustery and they look like lash extensions almost when they're on. Like they look a bit crazy like this, right? But when you put them on, it just gives you like volume and length and real wispy ends to your lashes. Like if you like the Ardell Wispies vibes, like that's kind of like how the ends look like. It's like very like soft and fluttery. So I'll pop one on so you can see the difference. We have new lashes out at xoBeauty too, by the way, if you didn't know. We've got a light one and a dark one. So today I'm going to use the light one because I don't have any black eyeliner on right now. So I'm just going to size them up. Looks like this. This is the light one. The dark one comes in black packaging. It's even more gentle than our last latex free glue. But like the last one, it dries super quickly. So just take a bit of product. And you can do one lash at a time because yeah, you don't have to let it dry for ages and get tacky. I like to add like a second layer to the ends just so they don't ping up. And then pop them on kind of where you want them with my lash tweezer. Take your xoBeauty lash tweezer. It's got nice rounded edges so you don't stab yourself in the eye, because with my fingernails like I'll just stab myself, or like regular tweezers I'll just absolutely annihilate my eyeball. You get them right into the lash line, let them sit there for 10 seconds and then squeeze, and that'll just press them into your natural lashes. Makes them like undetectable. So there you can see how they look before and after. They're stunning. I love these ones. These are just part of our regular range. They're really cheap too. So yeah, and you can reuse them. So don't chuck them out after one use. Just clean them off, put a bit of micellar water on, pick off the glue, and you are good to go for the next wear. But yeah, that looks really pretty. I think that lash is perfect with this look. It doesn't cover up everything, but it just gives like a bit more volume and length. Like I said, like lash extension vibes. I just added a little bit of mascara to the lashes and that just took them to the next level. Side on, like the length and the curl is just like unreal. Oh my god. These make me feel some kind of way. Wee bit of a highlighter just on it there. Very tip of my nose, and I like the top of my bridge done. Just kind of makes my nose look like a bit longer. Alright, blush. Oh, and I didn't put anything in my eyebrows. I'm just going to run through like the tiniest amount of my MAC, how do I say this? Beguile brow set. Just like a very small amount. This blush is called Must Have by Makeup Store. I'm not even sure if you can get it anymore, but it's just like the perfect colour. I'm going to use the same brush I used earlier for my cream bronzer, which is a detail fibre brush. And I'm going to run this high on my cheekbone and blend it downward just a little, but keeping most of it up here. Love that colour so much. Lips. Do we do pink too? Or like, no, I'm going to do my favourite blushy pink combination. You guys have seen this recently, I think, in another tutorial. But hey, it's just one of my favorite lip combinations ever. You don't have to do the exact same products I'm using. You can just take inspiration and use what you have. But there goes my voice again. This is just my personal favorite combo. So Mari by xoBeauty. So you want to take a nude lip pencil, your favorite nude lip pencil. I like to overline. And of course I can't find the freaking colour I need. It'll be on one of my clutches because I use it a lot. I'm looking for Elysian by xoBeauty. It's like the perfect colour. Alright, we're going to have to compromise. So instead I'm going to use Find You by xoBeauty. This is a matte liquid lipstick. I'm just going to do a little bit. Blend it in. The colour I wanted to use is much more baby pink, but this still works. Let's take a little bit of the colour I used in my waterline. I'm rubbing it in the middle. That's better. That gives a similar vibe to what Elysian does. Alright, now another new product by xoBeauty. Okay, this looks scary, okay? This is our lip veil. This is in the shade Roses. Oh my gosh, okay. It's so much better in real life. The lighting right now is shit. This looks terrifying. It's like golden hot pink, but when I put some on, you can see how gorgeous it is. The lighting's starting to go shit. Just a little to accentuate the center. Like, sorry? It feels like lip balm. Like, you guys don't understand. It feels like lip balm or like lip oil, but not as oily. It's so comfy. I literally use these just as lip balm sometimes when I'm at home. I just like chuck them on. Okay, I'm like really happy with how my makeup looks today. This is so like friggin' pretty and fairy like and just like, oh, so cute. Like I just want to like go out somewhere and just show everyone my makeup today. I'm like on a mission to finish my Pretty Fresh setting spray. We're so close. Oh god, yeah, look, it's time to do the like squirty shit. Oh, the lighting's doing that weird thing. Lucky I started filming when I did, jeez. It's like getting real bad. Okay, hair clips out. These are xoBeauty ones. I will link them down below. They don't leave dents in your hair. Like you can see, my hair's so oily right now. It looks like shit anyway. Put so much dry shampoo in my hair. I just got my hair dyed too and it's already like ridiculous roots. Literally, like, how long ago was that? I did a video. It would have been like a couple months ago, if that. I don't even know. I need to check. I'll link that video down below and then we can figure out how long ago it was. I just feel like my hair is growing like no tomorrow. And I need a trim because I've got a few bad ends. I've been using this GHD serum though on my ends each time I wash my hair. And I feel like it's helped just prevent more. Like I got heaps of split ends when I did my hair last time because I went a bit blonder. And I feel like once I just trimmed them off at home. Once I did that, like, yeah, and just use that GHD stuff, I didn't get as many new ones. I need to do something with my hair, but that's the finished look for the makeup. And these earrings are so cute too. And by the way, my top is from Shein. Is that how you say it? Shein or Sheen? I don't know, it was really cheap. I just saw it and I was like, that's really cute. And it's a really nice length too. If I show you, don't mind my bright yellow trackies, but see how it's like, I don't know, it's a nice length, nice cropped length where it's like just above the belly button. Because so many crop tops are like, you know, an inch or two higher than that. So yeah, I might buy this in some more colours. But yes, that is the look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chill get ready with me. I hope your day's going okay, and if it's not, I'm sending you virtual hugs, and hopefully the video made you forget about it for a little while. I love you all. Bye!